Hello, welcome back. Today is one of those days where you're not sure what I'm doing. We have gale force wind, it's snowing, it's a couple of minus degrees with the wind chill is more than 10 minus degrees Celsius. So it's not so pleasant. Yeah, let's do it. So, tent. It's pitched. Snow in the air. It's gale. I don't know if this microphone pick it up, but it's really windy. I feel cold. So as you can see, it's gray and it's windy. I'm quite sheltered here though, so that's okay. And I got my Naturehike tent today, since I'm by myself. I think a lighter titanium stove with a small area to heat up was a good choice. Easier to pitch as well. It's grim, I can tell you. It's really grim. I think I'm heading back to the tent after 10 seconds. This is enough. Enough of this shelter. So nice to get out of the wind. This is hilarious. You keep thinking, do normal people do like this? And what is normal? Well, I'm not normal. It's dark, wind has picked up. Whoa. And it's snowing. Jesus. I have 3 guy lines to the pipe from the wood stove, so hopefully that's fine. I don't want that to collapse. But there's been some real heavy gusts just recently. Just looked at the forecast and it's supposed to snow all night and in tomorrow morning and so on. The wind was supposed to drop a bit, but a forecast is a forecast. It's not necessarily that's the way it's going to play. So right now it's increased. I haven't eaten yet. I have some things to eat, but I've not been hungry, so I've just been chilling, which is fine. That's the whole purpose. Eat when you're hungry, sleep when you're tired. It is a special feeling being in a tent with a wood stove, having, 20 degrees. I could go 30 or 40 as well if I wanted, and then hearing roaring from the Baltic Sea, and it's snow, hail hitting the tent, and sitting in here, it's it's really cool actually. The contrast from being out out of the tent to being so comfortable in here. Temperature wise, it's about the same. So I decided to make dinner anyway. Not that hungry, but if I wait, I will skip and then I will wake up in the middle of the night. I was planning to do ravioli, but I can't really stand all the mess I make after making the ravioli. Then I have nothing clean to boil water for my coffee in the morning. So I'll have a piece of meat and a couple of mushrooms, and I think that'll be it for tonight. But I got a pan, got a knife, steak, and some mushrooms. Some mushrooms. Oops. Sure it will be. Yes. That's a good sound. Plate. Gloves can go over there. So, there we are. Mushrooms getting soft. So, I managed his food on the plate. It's soon 9. I think I won't be up for so much longer. I will probably get into the sleeping bag, change my clothes, and watch a movie or something. I'm not gonna run the stove during the night. Well, it doesn't last more than half an hour. It will bring a heat for maybe an hour, but I have this huge sleeping bag, so I will be fine once I get into the sleeping bag. So, well, weather conditions, if anybody cares, it's not less windy, it's maybe a bit more windy. I think there has been a slight change in the direction as well. Not so much east, a little bit more south. Good morning. 8:45. It's quite chilly. Same weather as yesterday. For some reason, I didn't sleep well. I was toasty warm, but I was just awake. I didn't feel tired. As I said, I was toasty warm in the sleeping bed. Fell asleep around, I don't know, 10:15. Woke up at, I think, 1:30. Then it was just on and off like this. It was an hour and a half this morning, so I woke up half an hour ago, and I just started the stove. I started actually with a coffee, but I still had some wood, so I felt you don't carry wood home unless you can stash it somewhere. So I started the wood stove, so I got hour and a half with wood. It's kind of weird. I don't get it. Last night I wasn't hungry. I did eat, and now woke up still not hungry. I just had a chat with my wife, and I said it's kind of weird because you're lying in your sleeping bag all night, you can't sleep, you're awake, and then you get up, and then you get tired instantly. Well, now I'm starting to get tired. I had a whole night to fix that. Well, anyway, it is what it is. I'm not complaining. It's just, but we'll see. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and start feeding the stove, and then I'll get back if I make breakfast, which I should do because the roads yesterday, I don't know if I said it, they I had to make or drive a detour, which it's similar in distance, similar in time, but it's so boring. That road is so boring. So I usually never drive that. But we had this kind of snowstorm coming in for a couple of days with -degrees, which is not that often we have in my area, and snow staying for more than 3 hours. Well, anyway, so I had a chat with Mickey, my friend, and he said avoid those normal roads that you drive because you might not even get through. He was out driving early in the morning and he couldn't even see the road because everything was white. Not white out, but white from snow, and it was not plowed, so couldn't really see anything. And so he said, and beneath that it was just pure ice. Ice covered with snow. So, an hour later, I think we are gonna make some breakfast. So, I have some bacon, I have still a few mushrooms, a couple of eggs. So, yeah, let's do it. I just checked the weather forecast for the roads, and it looks quite bad, actually. So the whole idea of staying, making breakfast is not so clever. I should be heading home instead. It's almost 11. The weather is getting worse, and the roads are getting even worse. So I'm just waiting for the last log to burn so I can cool down the stove. But I really feel like I should be going now. All right, guys, girls, whatever. Um, until next time. Cheers. These conditions. Two of them.